In today's video, I'll show you 6 simple methods to fix the sound not working on your smart TV, whether it's LG, Samsung, Sony, or any other brand. Let's get started. Method 1. Check the volume and mute settings. Press the volume up button on your TV remote. Make sure your TV isn't muted accidentally. Also, check if the remote is working properly. Method 2. Power cycle your TV. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Plug it back in and power it on. This resets temporary sound glitches. Method 3. Check audio output settings. Go to Settings Sound/Audio Output. Make sure the output is set to TV speakers, not Bluetooth or external sound systems. If you're using external speakers, ensure they're connected and powered on. Method 4. Test with another app or channel. Switch to a different channel or streaming app. Sometimes the issue is with the app itself, not the TV. You can also plug in a USB drive or HDMI device to test if sound works elsewhere. Method 5. Disconnect headphones or Bluetooth devices. Check if headphones or Bluetooth audio is connected. Go to Bluetooth settings and disconnect any paired device. This will return audio to the TV speakers. Method 6. Factory reset the TV. If none of the above work, try a reset. Settings General Reset Confirm. Note, this will erase custom settings, so only do this if everything else fails. And that's it. One of these methods should fix the sound issue on your smart TV. If the problem continues, there might be a hardware issue with the TV's speakers or audio board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and smart home tips.